Hey everybody, in this video I want to show you how to make simple low poly meshes somewhat like this in Blender from pixel art somewhat like this. So to do this, add a plane with Shift A and then S to scale it up. Hit Tab to go into edit mode and then scroll down to this subdivide and watch how many verts there are. When you hit subdivide, it says 9, 25, 81, 200, 1000, 4000. And we'll get back to that later. Then, add your texture in. Now I already did it earlier, but I'm going to add it again. New texture. And then click Open down here. Go grab it. Note that I took my pixel art and then resized it in Mac Preview to look something like this at 1000 pixels. And then I'm going to go down here to image mapping and switch repeat to extend, which changes it from repeated up here to just one in the preview, and how it applies here. And then over here in the modifiers, displace modifier, and select the texture that you want. New texture, I think we called it. Go back over here and hit Tab, and it's there. Now, we probably don't want it so thick, so 0.2 makes it, a little bit deep. Also, there are a couple things you can do with this. One, you can add the decimate modifier, and watch the number of verts. If you go here, ratio 0.5, number of verts went down, but it doesn't change it that much. You can see a few changes. But if you go down to 0.2, it looks a little different. I've found the smoothest to be planar. So that's 1000 verts, and it looks almost the same, if you ask me. Something else that I found kind of cool is instead of the decimate modifier, use the remesh modifier. And that's not very useful for what I was doing. But if you switch it to blocks, then it ends up just like that. Tiny amounts of verts, and that could be useful for some purposes. You can even make it, more blocky, more pixelated, so to speak. That's what I wanted to show you today. I hope that was useful, and if you like this video and want more videos like this, then click on like and subscribe just below the video. Thank you.